Okay, I'm here at Naborn at the Housewares show in Chicago, and they've got something that every show I look for something I've never seen before. This I've never seen before. It's a brewer, but it's also a grinder. But that's not enough. It actually roasts the coffee from green, and well, we just have to see it. I've never tried it, I've never tasted it, but let's see how the coffee tastes. Apparently you put green beans into it, and then if you can hear, just a second, you're going to hear the coffee roasting. And then when the coffee's done roasting, it will grind the beans. It's actually roasting right now. It looks like it's going to a roast level number 5. Let's hope that's like a full city. And then it will grind it. It will cool the beans, of course, first, and then grind them, and then it will brew.
Our machine is basically all-in-one coffee machine, from roasting, grinding, and brewing all at once, and it takes only 15 minutes.
From start to finish?
Yes.
Wow.
And you can adjust the heating level from level 1 to 10, and right now it's at level 5. So it's gonna be like medium, but if you wanna have darker coffee, you can adjust like 7 or 8. You can do whatever you want.
And it grinds it inside and it...
Yes. After it's done with the roasting, it automatically cools down with our cooling motor immediately, because it's very important, as you know. And then right after it's cooled down, it starts grind. And then the coffee starts to brewing. Yeah, and it's done.
Fantastic. 15 minutes, start to finish. That's incredible.
You can open it.
What can we? Oh, look at that. See it going. Look at that. There, we can see the beans going around. Obviously, it's getting close to roasting, and that's how. By the way, there's a certain. It's got a contact, so it's really a. It's not just an air roaster, it's actually surface roast. So like a drum roaster. Interesting.
For example, this machine has the grinding as with the blade, but that our new model has ceramic mill type of grinder.
Good, good.
This machine can take up to 30 grams of green beans, which makes about 6 cups of coffee. But that one is double-sized, so
60?
Yeah, 60 grams, 12 cups.
Wow. There, it is first crack right now. Hear that?
So now it's moving down to the grinder.
Okay.
What makes it like stronger?
Cool. Yeah, it's cooling.
Now, right now the cooling motor is on. 왜 그래요?
아니, 내가 보여줘.
Oh yeah. Yeah.
You can just use it as a roaster. You can leave it maybe until after your work, and you can just do the grinding and just brewing,
Okay.
like all separately.
Yes, yes, yes.
Or you can just use it as grinder.
Right. So we will have, it's on full auto, and there it goes, it's grinding. Is this the Kona?
Hawaiian Kona.
Hawaii, okay, yeah. Okay, Hawaiian Kona, so we'll get a chance to try it. So when they say fully automatic coffee machine, they mean it. At Naborn.
Let me show you
Oh.
where the silver skin goes to.
Oh, that's right. And then there's a chaff collector. That's just pull out, and you can dispose of the chaff or put it in your compost.
Ceramic mill.
Yeah. Very
And the heating system is also developed as infrared radiation system.
Oh, so it is an infrared roaster?
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
So it's gonna be
different than that.
roasted like
Yes.
evenly.
Right, more even.
And also, this is just roasting machine.
That's just a roaster. Yeah,
Yeah.
wave roaster. Wow. Is this infrared or is this the
Yes, thing.
Wow. An infrared roaster. They do have some innovative products.
So it can take up to 300 grams of green beans, and after it's done roasting, you have to shake a little bit. Then the silver skin will fall down up here. It's separated.
Ah, okay.
You see the holes here?
Yeah. So actually, the chaff goes through there.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay.
It's gonna be like under.
Yeah.
this plate.
Wow.
And this machine we have set up 8 levels of roasting heating according to global system.
Okay.
So maybe.
So 8 different roast colors.
Yeah.
Okay.
You can see with the
This
roasted
was
beans,
done with
this
was done obviously very light.
light, and it's
And this gets
Italian
to a dark,
roasted.
down to what I would consider a Italian or even Seattle roast. Wow. Well, it doesn't get any fresher than this. Certainly this was green coffee 15 minutes ago. I would certainly want to tweak the variables, but the coffee is very, very fresh. You can tell it's absolutely fresh. Thank you.
Yeah.
Very nice.